As you get older, you have to place an added emphasis on your heart health, body health, and brain health. You should also be placing an added emphasis on your cellular health. Luckily for you, there are steps you can take to ensure your cells are healthy. In this article, we will go over the importance of cellular health, what poor cellular health can lead to, and how you can achieve cellular health. What is cellular health? We all know the importance of keeping our body healthy, our brain healthy, and our hearts healthy. However, most Americans don't understand the importance of focusing on your cellular health as well. This could largely be due to the fact that most Americans don't even know the meaning of cellular health and what it means to keep your cells healthy. Focusing on your cellular health means focusing on cellular nutrition, which helps to clean the cells of toxins to keep them active and absorb all the 116 daily essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For a cell to remain healthy requires daily antioxidants, bioavailable high-quality protein, and cellular nutrition, which leads to a healthier body, more energy, ideal weight, and better living. Why is cellular health important? You may have heard scientists, doctors, and researchers refer to cells as the building blocks of life. This is because the quality of your health and your overall well-being completely depends on the level of the millions of cells making up your body. You need essential vitamins and amino acids to ensure proper cell health. An improper amount of these essential vitamins and amino acids can lead to cellular dysfunction, which can cause a rapid decline in your health. Your cells will become impaired, resulting in illness and other medical ailments. In addition, cells constantly subjected to physical, emotional, and energetic stress become dysfunctional. And this dysfunction equates to poor health because the cells and body are no longer at ease. Can you improve cell function? We all know that it's possible to improve our brain health, body health, and heart health if we focus on exercising and eating healthy. Research has found that it's also possible for us to improve our cell structure and function as well. It takes a few months, while on a cellular nutrition program, for your cells to start functioning properly again, like they were functioning when you were full of energy. Once your cells are healthy and active, your body will really become healthy, and you can easily reach your health goals, whether you need to lose weight, gain weight, get more energy, sleep well, or just simply become healthy and feel great every single day. Healthy cells allow your body to do all of the work for you. This can make it easier to get a proper amount of sleep and maintain a healthy weight. How do you get healthy on a cellular level? Thankfully, focusing on your cellular health isn't something that requires a huge lifestyle change or dramatic diet or workout regimens. What is required of you to improve your cellular health is essentially the same thing you would expect out of any healthy lifestyle. Here are some of the things you can do to focus on your cellular health. Focus on sleep. Sleep deprivation can be harmful for several different reasons. One of the things a lack of sleep impacts is our cellular health. As time goes on, sleep deprivation will interfere with your brain function, making it difficult to remember things and operate efficiently. Eat foods that lower inflammation. Chronic inflammation stresses out cells and trips up their healthy functions. A diet lower in animal protein lowers inflammation and helps protect cellular health. Later in this article, we will go further into detail as what foods you should eat to improve cellular health. Avoid exposure to toxicity. Things such as stress, sun, smoke, and other toxic elements can stress out the body. Your body can recover from these exposures if they are temporary or mild, but too much over time can cause severe damage. There are other steps you can take to improve your cellular health, including taking supplements. We will go over those supplements later in the article. Why cellular nutrition is important. You can achieve cellular nutrition through a special blend of highly solvable, essential natural vitamins, nutrients, and minerals that activate the body cells to help them absorb and process the essential daily nutrients from food. The older we get, the more our metabolism slows down, and the body is no longer able to absorb the same amount of nutrients it used to. In order to reactivate these inactive cells, they need to be cleaned up of toxins that are causing them to be inactive. Much of these toxins are formed by poor diets and foods high in saturated fats and sugars. Toxins can also be formed if you're not getting a proper amount of the vitamins and nutrients necessary. Later in this article, we will go further into detail about the type of foods you should be implementing into your diet. Can you prevent cell damage with supplements? You should be able to get the nutrients and vitamins that you need through a nutritious and balanced diet. However, for some people, it can be difficult to regularly get the vitamins and nutrients needed through their diet. This is when supplements can come into play. Here are some cellular health supplements to help you get the nutrients that you need. Antioxidant powder or concentrates, milk thistle, spermidine, organic greens, essential oils, probiotics. As is always recommended when it comes to supplements, consult with your doctor to ensure it's safe for you to take the supplement in question. It's possible that you may have an allergy to a certain nutrient without even knowing it. What foods are good for your cells? As long as you focus on implementing a diet that is well balanced and full of nutrients and vitamins, you'll be good to go. Luckily for you, foods that can be found in cellular health-focused diets can also be found in diets centered around losing weight. This can help you lose weight while also focusing on improving and maintaining cellular health. Here are some of the foods that should be in your diet. Micronutrients. Micronutrients are needed by every cell in the body. They either make things happen or they're needed by other nutrients to make things happen. You can find micronutrients in fruit, vegetables, seeds, nuts, meat, and fish. Fat. Fats are needed for a range of different functions, but are especially important for brain health. This is because 60% of the brain is made up of fatty acids, aiding cognitive function. Foods that are high in omega-3 include oily fish, olive oil, avocados, and chia seeds. Protein. Amino acids are crucial for health as they are the basic building blocks for human bodily functions. They are found in protein-rich foods including meat, fish, dairy, eggs, quinoa, and beans. Protein aids satiety and is also important for growth and repair of the muscles, and some studies suggest it could aid immunity. Fiber. Fiber can help with digestion and gut health. A healthy gut helps reduce the risk of diverticular disease and digestive issues. You can find high levels of fiber in whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and nuts. This doesn't mean that you will never be able to eat your favorite junk food ever again. However, you should try to limit your consumption of these foods to once or twice per week. Supplements can help. One supplement that can help encourage positive brain growth and prevent cognitive dissonance, as well as other aging side effects, is spermidine. This is because spermidine helps induce something called autophagy. This is the body's process of replacing old and potentially damaged cells with newer, healthier cells. Autophagy literally means self-eat. This process helps keep you feeling and looking young, while also dramatically lowering your chances of developing aging diseases, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. While it is possible to get your recommended daily intake of spermidine through your diet, it's recommended to take supplements so you ensure you get the right dose. Simply taking your supplements with your dinner is a great way to remember to take spermidine supplements every night.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.